Hi everybody, today we'll talk about how to fix or how to solve the problem of restricted accounts on the application of X Twitter. You will go to settings. In this page you will go to apps, default apps, app settings. In this list you will go down until you find this window of X Twitter and you will enter here. Then this page of app info, you will click on first stop and you will click OK. Here you will enter to the window of storage. Then you will click on clear cache. But pay attention, don't click clear data because that can delete your account. Here you will go to Play Store, then you can search about X Twitter, and as you see you can uninstall your app and you can install it again. So please don't forget to support us.